first, we want to wipe it down. We'll just wipe the top and the bottom just to be safe. And then we'll set that to the side and let it dry. And while we're doing that, we'll take the case here, and it has a tab that you just pull open at the top. So we'll open it that way. Take it out of the bag, and it comes in two pieces here. So we'll take the plastic off with each. So you have the two pieces here. There's one that has a square hole and then a little round hole, two square holes. This will be the bottom piece. It's still a little wet. But we'll go ahead and put it in just for the example here. So we can just push it in, it snaps into place like that. So again, the one with these square holes is the bottom piece. And then just repeat the process for the top. Snap it in. And that is it. And now you have a Gumdrop case on your Chromebook. That's how it'll look opened. And you should be good to go.